Recently, while at a flea market near me here in Florida, I met TechNSports, one of the biggest resellers in the men's clothing category there was. I'm pretty sure he was at one point ranked number one, doing millions of dollars in sales. I got to talk to him a little bit, and he gave me a suggestion on the flea market nearby where I live. And so in this video, I go to that flea market, see what's up, and I get some goodies. So yeah, let's get on with it.
Yo, good morning, guys. It's 4:30. What is it? The early bird gets the worm. Finish. I'm gonna eat something real quick. Hop in the car. Go to ATM. I'm gonna see y'all at the flea market. I've officially arrived. It is 5:48. So probably there's not that many people set up because I'm early. I'm gonna at least start walking around and maybe I can find some stuff pretty early on. So let's go. Hello.
So at this part, I hear this dude saying something about Logo 7, saying he got some clothes, but there's another dude looking through it, and I don't like to be that one dude who's like shoulder to shoulder stealing stuff, so I walk over to this table, pretend like, I'm looking at something else, wait for that other dude to leave, then I walk over back, and I'm about to find some grails.
Morning. How you doing?
Got some starter jerseys and jackets in here if you're interested.
All right. Is it like price per item, or is there a set price?
I don't know. Just we can do if you like a lot of stuff, put a bundle together and we'll see if we can come up with a good price for everything. See
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I can see it.
United States. Yeah. The United States is a shorter one.
Yeah.
French and them, they always make long ones. Sí, Leo dijo, ahí goes one in a million.
Oh shoot.
Hell yeah, sweet, man.
I have a couple brands things over here with
All these T-shirts right here for sale too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're all Naruto and Dragon Ball Z.
Okay.
They should be all like large, I believe.
Okay.
at this time, yes.
Heck yeah, Pops. Thank you, Pops.
Okay, I'm interested in everything I put in this basket. So
Everything in the basket.
yeah, it was all the sports stuff you had in there, plus a few hats and then 2 t-shirts.
I don't know. What are you thinking?
I didn't count how many things there were.
I could probably do the best I could probably do for you. I was looking probably at 100. I could probably do 80.
For all of it?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Here you go, sir.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, brother.
Have a good rest of your day, man. I got a pile I picked out right here if you want to look through it and give me a price on it. Okay. Would you be able to do 80? Huh?
I got at least 50 on this.
Yeah, no, I just can't. That's almost 10 per item for all these. If I did 100, because there's 6 things right here. I think, if I counted correctly. Oh, I didn't see that one. 7, I guess, but still, it's more than I usually am willing to do.
Give me 90. I'll put it on.
Unless you do for just these 4 t-shirts.
What do you got? All the concert ones? Yeah, I'll do 65 on it.
Okay, I can do that. Okay, here's 60. You got change for a 20? How much do you want for these 2 jackets?
10 each.
10
20.
each. Okay, I'll get this one.
You want that one? Okay, let me put it in the bag.
Oh, I have a bag right here.
Oh, okay. Take this one for 80. You want
Huh?
8?
So 18 total.
Yeah.
You want the hanger?
No, I will.
I'll do that.
I'll do the hangers because I need hangers.
We're here to sell, bro.
You got $2 and change.
Yes, I got change. There you go. Put them in your bag there. Backpack. And you put it on your back.
All right, I'm finished up. I got a decent amount of stuff. don't know if you can tell. I got like 3 bags over here full of stuff. I spent $200. I think it was a success. He wanted me to come here and see how it was, and for me, it was like 50 minutes away from my house. For me, I think it was worth it. For him, I don't know, he's like probably 4 hours away from here, so I don't know if I could justify driving 4 hours for here. Almost no one was selling clothes, like literally no one. Also, I got here at 6, which is when it opens, when he told me to get here, you know. I definitely got some really good stuff because of that, but also there was like almost no vendors here, and it's only up until, it's like about to be 8. Now it's kind of starting to pick up a little bit and get some more people here, but I ran out of money. I brought $200. Don't want to go over budget, so I spent all $200. I think I have $10 left or something. But yeah, I would say that I appreciate him giving me this tip for sure. I'm gonna show you guys when I get back to the house the stuff I got. This is my first time recording like a POV video. I kind of copied Tech. Whenever I took a picture with him, I noticed he was wearing a bag, like a bag you put over your shoulder, and he cut like a little area out so that he could put his phone. So I've been thinking, like, because I've been wanting to make a video like this, and I've been like, how am I supposed to do this without having like a GoPro or something? Obviously didn't really think that much into it, but then when I took that picture with Tech and I looked at it later on, I noticed he was wearing a bag. And so I just immediately got on Amazon and got like 1-day shipping and just got this bag. So that's how I was recording it. But the phone was like a little bit tilted the whole time. And then a lot of times when I was looking through clothes, I wasn't even like, I'm so used to just looking through clothes and just me looking through the clothes. Like, I'm not used to recording. So I was doing a bad job at like showing the tag and all that stuff, but I'm gonna try my best to show everything in a second, but then also like pop up what I was even looking at, so you kind of know what I'm looking at. But yeah, overall I got some good stuff, some good deals. Yeah, anyways, let's get back to the house.